today I'm going to have a look at the wedding cave in Bulkwyn. It's called a cave, but it actually isn't. It's an old mine dating back to Roman times. I'm going there to practice me underground photography with my new iPhone 11 Pro and possibly do a bit of housekeeping as well, because the place is normally full of tea lights that dickheads leave when they go up there to get drunk. Okay, it's just down there, so we'll see how we get on. Wedding cave there, as you can see. Put my helmet on and I'll get inside. So that's all done. It's quite an enjoyable half an hour, taking photos with my phone and stuff, and having a little look around this old mine. I've got a carrier bag now, full of tea lights and assorted rubbish. And if you're watching this video, and if you're the type of person that's been up here and left these tea lights for somebody else to tidy up, then I hate you with every fibre of my being, and I hope you die horribly of syphilis. And that being said, I'm now going to make my way back outside, where I'm going to do a bit more videoing, get some shots of the waterfalls and stuff. So see you outside. So there you go. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. My first video where I've actually talked a little bit on it. Wasn't as bad as I thought, really. Hope I haven't annoyed you too much. Hopefully I shall do some more talky videos in the future. Thank you for watching. That's all from me. Thank you, bye.